In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all tasks assigned to you in Monday.com. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a more organized workflow, this guide will help you easily locate and manage your tasks. So let's dive right into it. First, either get yourself logged in or make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're all set, it's time to shift our focus to viewing your tasks. Monday.com has crafted a handy feature specifically designed for this purpose called My Work. This is your go-to space for viewing all tasks assigned to you across every board with ease. To find it, navigate to the upper left side of the sidebar menu. It's usually located on the menu's top portion, so it should be pretty easy to spot. Once you've located the My Work section, simply click on it, and this is where things start to get exciting. This My Work section is designed to give you an organized and comprehensive overview of all your tasks across different boards. Imagine it as your personal task manager right within the Monday.com platform. It organizes your tasks by dates, which makes prioritizing and managing them efficiently a breeze. You can quickly identify what's due today, what's coming up tomorrow, and what you need to prepare for in the future. Alongside this, Monday.com offers a really convenient calendar mode. If you're someone who's more of a visual planner and loves seeing things laid out, this feature will be incredibly beneficial. All you need to do is click on the Calendar tab, which is located right beside the Table tab in the My Work section. As soon as you click on this option, your tasks will unfold in a calendar view before you. With this calendar view being quite flexible, you have the option to switch between a monthly, weekly, or even daily perspective. This adaptability allows you to tailor your view to fit your unique workflow. Whether you're strategizing for the month ahead or zooming in on just today's priorities, this feature really lets you manage your time effectively. And that's it. Now, you know how to easily see all tasks assigned to you in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow and be sure you never miss a deadline again. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes navigating Monday.com a little smoother and more efficient for you. Remember, a well-organized workspace is your key to enhanced productivity.